Exercise 1.1. So, we will solve all questions one by one. Objective type questions. This will be the revision session for you. It will be very helpful before the exam. So, practice with me, please. Okay, dears. Amount of surface area occupied by an object or a place is called area. So, beta, it is called area. Now, the question number two. The SI unit of area is meter square. Now, बच्चों, question number three. The appropriate unit to express the area of a 2 rupee coin is, beta, 2 rupee coin is a smaller one. So, its area would be represented in millimeter square. Now, the area of banyan leaf can be found by using a centimeter graph paper because the leaf of banyan tree is bigger than a coin. So appropriate unit is centimeter. So we will use a centimeter graph paper. बच्चों, the area of a state is best expressed in kilometer square. I hope these questions are clear to you. Now, true and false. So, beta ji, this question. The area of a flat triangular cardboard is given by the formula. Beta, area of triangle. Area of a triangle is, let this is the height h and this is the base b. So, beta, area of triangle is given by half base into height. So, this is the correct formula, and in the question they are saying that only base into height. It should be half also there. So it is false. It is not true. Now, the area of a state is best expressed in hectares. No, bachon. Recently, I told you the area of a state is best expressed in kilometer square. Now, 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square. Shall we check it? Now बच्चों, 1 meter square. So प्यारे बच्चों, meter is written as 100 centimeter whole square. What I have done? I have written meter as 100 centimeter. Now 100 into 100 centimeter into centimeter. प्यारे बच्चों, 10,000 centimeter square. It means we can write 10,000 centimeter square equals to 1 meter square. So it is true. Now read it again. 10,000 centimeter is equal to 1 meter square. Yes, it is correct. It is true. Now बच्चों, 1,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. बच्चों, let's see that what is 1 hectare. So what is 1 hectare? If we make a square of 100-meter side, then its area is called 1 hectare. Getting the concept? It means 1 hectare is equal to area of this square, and area of square is 100 meter into 100 meter. It means 10,000 meter square. So we can say that 10,000 meter square equal to 1 hectare. Now, what are they saying? 1000 meter square. No बच्चों, 10,000 meter square. Recently I told you that 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So they are writing only 1000 meter square. It is wrong. It is false. Now, the area of rose leaf can be found by using millimeter. Yes, bachcho. Actually, rose leaf is smaller one. So the appropriate graph paper is millimeter square. So, bachcho, it is true. Now, we have solved A and B parts. Now we are going to part C. Statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its area. Beta, the amount of space, no. Actually, it should be the amount of surface occupied by an object is called its area. And we make also another correction. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. We can also write volume. Both the corrections will be considered as correct corrections. I hope this concept is clear. Now, this statement SI unit of area is centimeter square. No बच्चों, SI unit of area is meter square. Hence, the correct answer should be the SI unit of area is meter square. The area of a 5 rupee coin is best expressed in meter square. No. Actually, 5 rupee coin is a small one, so it is false. The area can be found by a millimeter graph paper, and the best unit should be millimeter square. Beta G, the area of a 5 rupee coin should be expressed as millimeter square. Now we are solving question number 4. A hectare is equal to the side of a square having side 10 meter. No बच्चों, right now I have told you that 1 hectare is equal to the area of a square having side 100 meter, not only 10 meter. So the correct sentence should be written as 1 hectare is equal to the size of a square having side 10 meter. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 hectare. बेटा जी हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, सो बेटा 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर स्क्वायर. So beta 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros meter square, and 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Now if you see this 1 kilometer square, so we can write बच्चों 100 into 10,000 meter square. Can we write this? Can be written as like this. Now 100 into 10,000 meter square equals to 1 hectare. So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 100 hectare. This is the correct relation. Now what are they writing? They are saying 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 hectare. No बच्चों 100 hectare. 1 kilometer square is equal to 100 hectare. So 1000 should be replaced by 100. Now this sentence will be correct one. Now we are solving objective type question. So beta ji, the question number 1, the square board in the shape of a square. The side is 5 centimeter. Now its area would be equal to, beta area is equal to square of side. So area should be 5 centimeter whole square. So beta ji, area would be 25 centimeter square. Hence its correct answer should be option C. I hope the concept is clear. Now we are solving question number 2. So the area of a circle is given by pi r square, where pi is 22 upon 7. Beta ji, I think the solution is clear. Hence the correct option should be option A. Now we are solving question number 3. A plot measuring 2 kilometer length. So we need to make a rectangle. Beta's length is 2 kilometer and breadth is half kilometer. Now its area would be equal to, beta 2 kilometer would be its length and half kilometer would be its breadth. Area equals to length into breadth. So 2 kilometer into 1 upon 2 kilometer. प्यारे बच्चों 2 and 2 will cut each other and it will be 1 kilometer square. And recently I have done 1 kilometer square is equal to 100 hectare. So its correct answer should be A. I hope the solution is clear. Now we are solving question number 4. The area of a regular piece of cardboard about called about 25 centimeter square. So is best found by using, it's very easy बच्चों, because the unit is centimeter square, so it should be measured by centimeter graph paper. Hence its correct answer should be B, centimeter graph paper. Now the last objective question 5, the accurate measurement of area is required in the job of, beta ji, goldsmith. They do the business of gold, which is very expensive, so accurate measurement is very important in case of business of goldsmith. So I hope the concept is clear. The answer of question number 5 is B, goldsmith. Now बच्चों, we are seeing the question on our screen. Match the statement in column A with those in column B. The amount of surface occupied by an object is called its area. So beta B part here. The SI unit of area is meter square, which is the option A. A multiple of SI unit of area used for measuring the area of state. बच्चों, a multiple of SI unit of area. There is a condition that a multiple of SI unit of area. So, beta, the area of a state is represented by kilometer square. Hence the option B. And प्यारे बच्चों, you know that 1 kilometer square is equal to 100,000 meter square. This is the value of 1 kilometer square. So the correct answer is B. A submultiple unit of area. Now we are seeing the fourth part. A submultiple unit of area used for measuring the area of postal stamp. Beta, postal stamp is very small one, so its area should be measured in millimeter square. Hence the option E should be matched here. A graph paper used for measuring the area of banyan leaf. Beta ji, we have done around two times this question that a banyan leaf is bigger than a postal stamp or a 5 rupee coin. Its area should be represented in centimeter square. So the graph paper should be centimeter graph paper. Hence, its answer should be centimeter graph paper. Hence, the option should be C. I hope the concept is clear. Now, बच्चों, we are solving study questions. State what do you understand by the area of an object? तो बेटा जी 1A. What is area? The definition I'm writing here. The amount of surface occupied by an object or place. For example, a city is called its area. So beta ji, it is the answer of 1A. I hope this is clear. Now 1B, state the standard international unit of area. So beta its answer should be meter square is the standard international unit of area. Hence, these two parts are solved. Now, we will solve C part. State two multiples and submultiple. So, beta ji, first of all, we will write multiples. Multiples 1 hectare. So, beta hectare. What is hectare? 1 hectare is equal to the area of a square of side equal to 100 meter. Beta G 1 hectare equal to. Now, if I draw a square, its side is 100 meter, so its area is equal to 1 hectare. You know, beta, area of 1 hectare is equal to area of a square of side 100 meter, and area of a square is equal to square of side. Now 100 meter whole square. Beta G 100 meter into 100 meter. Hence we are writing four zeros. It means 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So I have given here only one multiple of SI unit. I will write another one. What is another one? You know that the area of a state is expressed in kilometer square. So beta G, kilometer square. What is kilometer square? 1 kilometer square is the area of a square of side 1 kilometer. So if you draw 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. So बच्चों 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू इसका एरिया. हाउ टू फाइंड इट्स एरिया? इसका एरिया हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे बच्चों? 1 kilometer. I can write here the exact formula. Square of side. Square of side 1 kilometer square. प्यारे बच्चों 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1000 meter into 1000 meter. It is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meter square. It means 1 kilometer square equals to 1,000,000 meter square. So I have done half the part. State two multiples. Now I will write submultiples because they are asking multiples and submultiples. Now मेरे प्यारे बच्चों submultiples. बेटा जी आप लोगों ने पढ़ा अभी की coin. Area of coin is represented in millimeter square and area of banyan leaf is represented in centimeter square. It means we have two submultiples unit millimeter square and centimeter square. These are called submultiples. Now let's see the relation. First of all, we are saying millimeter square. So प्यारे बच्चों 1 meter square equals to beta 1 meter square equals to 1 meter into 1 meter. Is it? 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. Now 1,000,000 millimeter square. Beta millimeter square. Actually, there are 2 millimeter. This one and this one. So it became the square. It means 1 meter square. Or we can write 1,000,000 millimeter square equals to 1 meter square. 1 millimeter square equals to 1 upon 1,000,000 meter square. Beta 1 millimeter square equals to, we can write 10 raised to the power 6 meter square. Now, if we shift in numerator, it will become 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter square. Hence, we have studied one submultiple, which is 1 millimeter square equals to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter square. Now, I will write another unit, which is centimeter square. प्यारे बच्चों 1 meter square equals to 1 meter into 1 meter. It means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Now 1,000,000 centimeter square, or we can write 10,000 centimeter square equals to 1 meter square. प्यारे बच्चों 1 centimeter square equals to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. 1 centimeter square equals to 1 upon 10 raised to the power 4 meter square. Now 1 centimeter square equals to 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter square. Finally, I hope the concept is clear. प्यारे बच्चों, finally, I have written multiple multiples and submultiples. In submultiples, I have written 1 centimeter square equals to 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter square, and 1 millimeter square equals to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter square. And in multiples, I have written 1 hectare equals to 10000, it means 10,000 meter square, and 1 kilometer square equals to 100,000,000 6 times 0 meter square. Now this part C is clear, completely solved. I hope the solution is clear to you. Now बच्चों, we are solving question number 2. Beta, how can you find the length of a rectangular body if you know its area and breadth? Beta, area and breadth are known. So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, area of rectangle, we can write like this: for a rectangle, area length into breadth equals to area. Length into breadth equals to area. Hence, length can be calculated by area upon breadth. So, this formula can be applied. By using this formula, we can find the length of the rectangle without using the measuring scale or measuring tape. I hope the solution is clear. Now, बच्चों, we are solving question number 3. A 5 rupee coin. So, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, I am telling some steps. You need to do it yourself, but I am telling the steps. The first step: draw the outline. Draw the outline of a 5 rupee coin on a, which scale बच्चों, millimeter or centimeter? Certainly millimeter. Millimeter graph paper. First work आपने कर लिया. First step: draw the outline of 5 rupee coin on millimeter graph paper. Now count the number of complete millimeter squares. We can write only squares, complete squares, no problem, because we have already taken the millimeter graph. Count the number of complete squares. Now, next step, count the Number of incomplete squares. Incomplete means less than half, or we can take simple, we can write incomplete squares. Now, and also we have counted the number of incomplete square. Now divide by 2. Because they are incomplete, they will be divided by 2. Now area equals to number of complete square plus half number of incomplete squares. And मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, unit will be written as millimeter square. In this way, you can find the area of a 5 rupee coin. You do it. In case of any problem, kindly message me. I will help you in that. Now, beta, second, playing cards. You can do it yourself by centimeter graph paper because it is much bigger than the 5 rupee coin. A banyan leaf also can be found by a centimeter graph paper. So all steps all steps are same, but graph paper is changed. For 5 rupee coin, millimeter graph paper, and for banyan tree and playing cards, centimeter graph paper. I hope the concept is clear. Now we will use question number. We will solve question number 4 using an appropriate measuring instrument. Name the instrument. How can you find the area of a postal stamp? So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ए postal stamp. बेटा postal stamp, area of postal stamp can be calculated by millimeter graph paper. Now B, greeting card. Beta ji, greeting card is bigger one, hence we can use centimeter graph paper. For C, school hall. प्यारे बच्चों, it is really big one, so its area should be measured in meter square. I hope the concept is clear, and with the help of of measuring tape. Now, D. With a football ground, certainly football ground also area of football ground also expressed in meter square, and it can be its radius can be found by measuring tape, and then we can use the formula area equals to pi r square. बच्चों, the radius of football ground can be calculated with the help of measuring tape. Now by applying this formula, we can find the area of football ground. I hope the concept is clear. प्यारे बच्चों, now question number 5, the last one of this exercise. There is a circular field of area of approximately 5 meter square, 500 meter square. How can you find its area accurately by using a measuring tape? प्यारे बच्चों, the circular field, the area of circular field is given by pi r square. So first of all, we will find r with the help of measuring tape. Then by applying pi equals to 22/7 and the value of r, we can find the area of circular field. I hope the concept is clear. Beta G, radius can be found by radius equals to half of diameter. This is a circle. You will put a measuring tape like this. Now AB would be the diameter. If you divide by 2 in AB, you will get the radius. This all done will be done with the help of a measuring tape. So in the question number 5, first of all, you will find the diameter of the football ground. Then you will divide by 2 in the diameter. You will get the radius, and after getting the radius, you will apply this formula. So area of the football ground may be calculated. Okay, see you in the next video, in the next exercise. And these videos will be very helpful in your UT exam, in half yearly exam, and for revision purpose. Thank you.